3 de junio, vamos por Cuento, de Fitness
The
Club.
Fitness Club, Lily's school newspaper column.
La columna en el periódico de Lily.
Our school just set up a new fitness club. They've prepared something for everyone.
Nuestra escuela acaba de implementar un nuevo club de fitness. Ellos están preparando alguna cosa para todos.
There are many types of workouts and activities like yoga and swimming.
Hay muchos tipos de ejercicios y actividades como yoga y natación.
Students seem to love it, and it's supposed to be great for your health.
Los estudiantes parecen amarlo y eso supone un grandioso para la salud. I hate it. Lily dice que los estudiantes piensan que el club mejora su salud.
I hate it.
Lo odio. Escoge la opción que significa dislike, hate.
First, I don't want to spend my time doing workouts at school.
En primer lugar, yo no quiero pasar mi tiempo haciendo ejercicios.
Fitness might be good for you, but it's not for me.
Lily dice fitness.
I would rather stay home and watch movies or listen to music.
Preferiría estar en casa y ver películas y escuchar música.
The club is loud. All the noise from the fitness classes interrupts me. I like to sit in the library and read, but now I can hear the shouts and loud music from the club. It's impossible to enjoy a good book with all that. Everyone keeps asking me to join. Zari, my best friend, loves the fitness club. She's always talking about it and asks me to try it, but I don't want to. I like doing things alone and being with my dog Harold. So, the school should find a quieter place for the fitness club. People want to keep fit, and that's fine, but I don't. I want to stay in the library, reading in peace.
Necesita